Monica with a touch of sparkle, and I just got my first ever order from Papermart. I've never ordered from them at all, but I keep hearing all these good things in the Frugal Crafters videos, and she shows all sorts of goodies that she makes. And in particular, she did some earring holders, some handmade earring display cards that I really wanted to make, and one of her products from Papermart she used was some of this nice burlap. So I thought, well, I need some cellophane bags and stuff like that and some jewelry pouches, so I'll get on there and order some of that burlap. Well, I got a lot of these cute polka dot bags that are in my blue and pink colors, and it has like a linen bottom. And then I got some organza bags. These are orange and white for my University of Tennessee colors because I'm originally from Tennessee, gotta represent. And then I got some more polka dot bags with some pink and white, and then these were on sale, which I was really happy about. They are beaded bags in my pink color. I am excited about using those for my special customers and as gifts to give away. But I got some other things here that are in boxes I haven't opened yet, and they are just cellophane packaging bags that I'm going to use for putting in my jewelry elements and things, especially if I go to craft fairs and whatnot, so that I've got plenty of packing materials to use. I am happy with the order. There's my little stash here from Papermart, and I'm excited to make some of those earring holders and use up all my little bags. So I just wanted to share with you my unboxing. Have a sparkle-rific day, y'all. Bye.